All you need are basic tools and the replacement air filter. First you need to remove this intake elbow. Remove this vent tube. Loosen this clamp. And unlatch this clamp. Now you should be able to pull it out. Now you need to loosen these three 10mm bolts on top of the air filter housing. Stack some ratchet extensions to get down at them. Now you can pull the filter out. If you see leaves or anything else down in the housing, pull it out now. Set the new filter into the housing. There's no torque spec on these bolts. Just screw them in by hand, then give them an extra quarter turn with the ratchet. Before you put the elbow back on, check inside the throttle body and down inside the filter to make sure you didn't drop anything in them. That's it for the air filter.